Okay, so I did something. I decided that my kids' desire to go camping more and to spend time outdoors was a very high priority. And I sold our Yukon that we were never going to sell. It was a great vehicle, but with a lot of the engine problems that have come up with that Yukon, it was getting up there in mileage and decided not to risk it. And I wanted a vehicle that was a little more suited to off-road and kind of out in the middle of nowhere type camping. So I spent way too much money and got a new Gladiator. Now I'm excited. It's the transition period for a lot of things with our family. Seems like that's all we're doing right now, and recently is transitioning to new things. This channel is kind of a very small part of that. We're hoping that other people can see what we've gone through and been through and kind of not so much commiserate as see that they're not alone and that they aren't and that they are children of God just like we all are. And his plan is not usually our plan unless we decide to follow his plan. At least that's what we've learned.